malaki pa masarap.
Balik sa team na to at sa ligang ito saan man ako mapunta. Sa Delphin, Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And, you know, what
Talagang alam niya. Ika nga ni Kobe Bryant, job not finished.
so different when he's on the floor. He's like a bundle of energy.
I was part of that game that covered yung injury na yun ni Chris Lalata. And pretty much heading into the playoffs,
Alcoriza leaves it to Clemente. Pampanga dominant in this first period. 32-15 JLC. He missed one already right before the quarter ended. 5 of 6 with 12 points. John Lloyd Clemente leading the way para dito sa Giant Lanterns.
and his scoring has really been, almost.
By giving up 47 points. Clemente has been asking for that basketball. He puts it in.
Si Archie.
Archie to the corner. Clemente knocks it down. No, and syempre yung mga experiences na sense of his girlfriend here. Ano ka malaman kasi baka yan is a renovation ongoing right now.
Yeah, there's ongoing. Yung my player, si Joe Cosare.
Hopefully,
Oh, wow.
I got scared there. I thought JLC was... Oo naman.
Naman. Si Drin at saka si Tata.
Dito sa likod. Kaya malaki pa masalamat din sa kanila.
Okay, hindi na iba